Welcome to Lesson 1. In this session, we'll explore the different types of 3D printers used in dental applications. Each printer type brings unique advantages. So understanding the key differences is essential for selecting the best option for your practice. We'll focus on three main printer types: stereolithography, digital light processing, and LCD printing. Let's dive into each one and see how they're used in dental workflows. Stereolithography, or SLA, is one of the oldest and most widely recognized 3D printing technologies. In SLA, a UV laser cures liquid resin layer by layer to form a solid object. This precise curing process allows SLA printers to achieve exceptional resolution and fine detail, making them ideal for applications where precision is critical. Let's look at some specific applications in dental practices. SLA printers excel at creating highly detailed items like dentures, crowns, and surgical guides. The high-resolution output of an SLA printer means we can capture tiny anatomical details, which is essential for achieving a precise fit. Here, you can see an SLA printer curing each layer meticulously. This step-by-step curing is what gives SLA printers such a high resolution. But it also means that SLA printers tend to be slower compared to other types. However, SLA printers are an excellent choice for producing high-quality, single pieces rather than high-volume batches. For practices focused on high-end, customized prosthetics or highly detailed surgical guides, SLA might be the ideal choice. When precision and detail are paramount, an SLA printer delivers reliable results. One thing to consider, though, is that SLA printers can have a higher initial cost and may require more maintenance to keep the light source calibrated. If you're considering SLA for your practice, make sure you have the appropriate support and setup for consistent results. Next, let's discuss digital light processing, or DLP printers. DLP uses a digital light projector to cure resin layers all at once, rather than curing each layer one line at a time, like SLA. This approach makes DLP printers faster, often completing prints in less time than an SLA printer of similar quality. DLP printers offer the same level of detail as SLA, but with a significant speed advantage, which makes them an excellent choice for busy practices that need fast turnaround times without sacrificing quality. As you can see, the DLP printer cures entire layers in one go. This feature is especially helpful when you're producing multiple items at once, like aligners or dental prosthetics. Many orthodontic practices rely on DLP printers to produce high-quality models and aligners in a short amount of time. Since they don't rely on lasers, DLP printers are, in terms of cost, DLP printers are often comparable to SLA, but tend to have lower maintenance requirements, are generally more robust, and require fewer calibrations. This lower maintenance burden can be a cost-saving factor in the long term. To sum up, DLP printers are a great choice for practices that need high-quality prints quickly. Their speed makes them perfect for high-volume applications like aligners, dental models, and orthodontic devices. Finally, let's look at LCD printers. LCD printers cure resin using an LCD screen as a light source. While this technology doesn't provide the same level of resolution as SLA or DLP, it's much more affordable and highly efficient for larger batch production. LCD printers are ideal for practices that prioritize cost-effectiveness and need to produce a large volume of models, such as those required for aligners or dentures. Larger clinics often choose LCD printers when their primary need is high-volume production of dental models. LCD printers may not have the same precision as SLA or DLP, but their output is sufficient for less detailed applications, such as dental models or temporary prosthetics. One of the main advantages of LCD printers is their lower cost. This type of printer can be an excellent starting point for practices looking to enter the field of digital dentistry without a large initial investment. The affordability of LCD printers makes them accessible to smaller practices or those that don't require ultra-high resolution. It's important to note that LCD printers tend to have shorter lifespans than SLA or DLP due to their reliance on LCD screens, which can degrade over time. However, with proper maintenance and a clear understanding of their capabilities, LCD printers can be an economical choice for many dental applications. Now that we've reviewed the three main types of 3D printers used in dental applications, let's talk about how to choose the best one for your practice. There are several factors to consider when selecting a 3D printer, including print speed, resolution, material compatibility, and cost. If your practice focuses on complex, high-quality restorations like crowns, bridges, or custom prosthetics, an SLA printer might be the best fit due to its high resolution. However, if you need a faster solution for producing multiple aligners or dental models, a DLP printer may be the ideal choice. Its speed and quality make it suitable for both high-tail work and high-volume production. Finally, for practices that prioritize cost-effectiveness or need a high production volume without extreme detail, an LCD printer is a solid option. While it may lack the precision of SLA and DLP, it's reliable and budget-friendly for general model production. It's also essential to consider ongoing costs and maintenance. SLA printers, for instance, require regular calibration, while DLP and LCD printers generally have lower maintenance demands. In the long run, these factors can impact your total investment in digital printing technology. Let's recap what we've covered in this lesson. We explored the main types of 3D printers suitable for dental applications: SLA, DLP, and LCD. SLA printers provide the highest detail and are perfect for applications requiring extreme precision, such as crowns and custom prosthetics. DLP printers offer a balanced combination of speed and quality, making them ideal for high-volume applications like aligners. LCD printers, while more affordable, work well for producing large quantities of models where ultrafine detail isn't essential. Selecting the right 3D printer depends on your practice's needs, budget, and goals. By understanding the strengths of each printer type, you can make an informed choice that best suits your dental workflows and patient demands. Thank you for joining this lesson. In our next session, we'll discuss the different types of dental resins and how to choose the right one based on patient needs.